it was 39 at Des Moines and 34 at Mason City. Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 33 degrees. The wind chill was 23, with light sleet and light snow. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, sleet, possibly mixed with freezing rain, snow and thunderstorms in the morning. Rain. Snow, possibly mixed with freezing rain in the afternoon. Snow and sleet accumulation less than 1 inch. Little or no ice accumulation. Highs in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. Tonight, snow, possibly mixed with rain in the evening. Snow accumulation less than 1 inch. Lows in the upper 20s. North winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Thursday, decreasing clouds. Highs in the upper 30s.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is Weather Radio Station.